Today's video is all about WhatsApp integration with ERP system.
What do you mean by WhatsApp integration, Eva?
So this feature allows you to send messages to customer via WhatsApp through our ERP system. This helps in saving lots of our time. There are 5 steps to activate WhatsApp integration. First step is to register the customer's mobile number on this portal. Enter the WhatsApp number that is already registered and password and click on Login. Select the user option and click on New User. Enter details of customer you want to register, that is name, WhatsApp number through which you will be sending messages to customer, password, etc. And click on Save. So the username and password will be sent to person you just registered on registered WhatsApp number. The entire process of registration will be done by our Eva team. Step 2 is ask the customer to log in on same portal with their WhatsApp number and password that we just registered. This interface will open in front of you. Step 3 is to integrate WhatsApp with our ERP system. Copy this instance ID available on left side of screen. Log in onto our ERP system. Go to Accounts, in that select Account Configuration. And in that select Company option. Scroll towards end and select WhatsApp integration option. Click on Edit option. In WhatsApp URL, enter paste the URL of portal on which we registered the customer. Enter mobile number prefix as 91. And paste the instance ID which we copied earlier. And click on Save.